You've clicked on the question about you're not happy with your lawyer and can you hire another firm? The quick answer is yes. You are entitled to be represented by the lawyer of your choice. There's another question here and a tab on this site, and you can look down below to find out where to click and to learn more about this. But there's 7 signs I give you in that other section about red flags that you should look for to see whether your lawyer is doing the right job for you. There are things to consider if you're starting to question whether you're being properly represented. If you've been hurt and you've been through so much, you really want to make sure you're represented by the right law firm. You know, we get calls from people, injured victims, very often, that are represented by another lawyer. And it's often the case that we know that firm, and if we know they're a good firm, we're going to help them work things through with that firm. Even if we don't know the firm, but the things that you might be concerned about, we know are not really unusual or a problem. Look, it's a difficult time for you, and it's a time where you're recovering from an injury and life is hard. So your lawyer may not be doing anything wrong. They may be doing a nice job for you, and you don't realize it. And if that's the case, we'll tell you. But we also know the firms that don't do a good job. We know that there are firms out there that don't handle cases the way they should. We know the signs of poor representation. And if we see them, we'll be honest with you then and tell you that we'll be happy to help you. And if that's the case, terminating your lawyer is as simple as sending them a termination letter and retaining a new firm. We're happy to talk to you about this if you're interested and if you're in this situation. Don't settle for less. If you don't feel like you're being properly taken care of, give us a call. I hope this was helpful. Thanks.